Have you ever noticed how some people always seem to have money, even when they don't earn much, while others make six figures and are constantly stressed about finances? Here's what shocked me. A study analysing thousands of millionaires found that most didn't inherit wealth. They didn't have massive salaries either. They just followed specific daily habits that quietly multiplied their money over time. The difference isn't luck, it's how they live, the daily habits they follow, the rules they refuse to break. Today I'm breaking down 15 minimalist habits that guarantee you'll always have money. These aren't deprivation tactics, they're freedom tools. Tools that give you more control, less stress, and a bank account that actually grows. And here's the thing, most people miss habit number 10. It's the one that makes everything else work. It's the shift from hoping for wealth to automatically building it. So stick around, because when you understand habit 10, your entire relationship with money changes. If you're serious about building real financial freedom, hit that like button and subscribe to MindCraft. We cut through the noise with strategies that actually work, and your support keeps this movement growing. Alright, let's dive in. Habit 1. Strip away financial noise. Your money problems didn't start with your income. They started with complexity. Look at your bank statement. How many subscriptions are you paying for that you forgot existed? This is financial clutter, draining your wealth while you sleep. The average person wastes over $500 per year on forgotten subscriptions. Cancel everything you don't actively use this week. Clean the foundation before you build wealth on top of it. Habit 2. Own your morning hours. The way you start your day determines how your money flows. If you wake up in chaos, checking your phone immediately, reacting to emails, rushing into survival mode, you'll make reactive financial decisions all day long. I know a teacher who used to wake up stressed every morning, scrolling through bills and bad news before even getting out of bed. His spending was impulsive, his savings non-existent. Then he tried something simple. He claimed his first hour. No phone, no distractions, no external demands. He used that time to review his financial goals, plan his priorities, or simply think clearly. Within 6 months, he'd saved more than the previous 3 years combined. This quiet hour is where millionaires are made, not in the hustle of afternoon chaos. When you control your morning, you control your mindset, and your mindset controls your money. Habit 3. Create a peaceful environment. Your physical space affects your financial decisions. A cluttered home leads to cluttered spending. When everything's a mess, you buy things you already own but can't find. Simplify your space. Give everything a place. Remove the excess. A calm environment creates a calm mind, and a calm mind makes sharper financial choices. Habit 4. Guard your time like gold. Every social obligation that drains your energy steals from your financial future. Stop saying yes to events that add no value just to avoid awkwardness. Your energy is currency, and exhausted people make expensive mistakes. Choose fewer but deeper relationships. Quality relationships often lead to quality opportunities, both personally and financially. The minimalist knows time wasted is money lost. Habit 5. Build a functional wardrobe. Decision fatigue is real, and it starts when you open your closet. Build a wardrobe of versatile, quality pieces that all work together. You'll save time, reduce stress, and stop buying clothes because you feel like you have nothing to wear. Focus on fewer pieces that fit well and last longer. When you're not wasting mental energy on outfits, you can focus that energy on wealth-building activities. Habit 6. Filter information ruthlessly. Information overload is the new form of debt. Constant news consumption, endless scrolling, opinion hunting. None of it makes you smarter. It makes you scattered. Choose 2 or 3 reliable sources and ignore the rest. Consume content with purpose, not out of habit. When your mind isn't cluttered with noise, you think more clearly about your financial decisions and long-term goals. A clear mind doesn't chase trends, it builds systems. Quick check-in. Which of these habits has surprised you most so far? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you're finding value here, hit that like button and subscribe so this reaches more people who need it. We're just getting to the good part. Habit 10 is coming up and it changes everything. Let's keep going. Habit 7. Plan every purchase. Impulse buying is wealth's biggest enemy. Before buying anything non-essential, write it down and wait. Research the item. Let the excitement fade. Most desires die when given time. This pause can save you thousands per year. The minimalist doesn't buy to feel good in the moment. They buy to solve real problems. Habit 8. Master the 30-day rule. Not every desire deserves immediate action. When you want something, add it to a list and wait 30 days. If you still want it after a month and can afford it without stress, then consider buying. Most items on your list will feel unnecessary after the waiting period. This rule builds discipline while protecting your wallet from emotional spending. Habit 9. Focus on 3 big goals. Scattered goals lead to scattered wealth. Choose no more than 3 major financial priorities for the year. Build an emergency fund. Pay off debt. Start investing. Align your spending with these priorities. When tempted to buy something, ask, does this move me closer or further from my 3 goals? Focused energy creates focused wealth. Now here's where everything changes. Most people do habits 1 through 9 and still struggle financially. They know what to do. They have good intentions. But 6 months later, they're back where they started. Why? Because they're missing the one thing that makes all of this sustainable. Habit 10. Build automated systems. Here's the truth most people never understand. Willpower is overrated and unreliable. You can be motivated today. You can have the best intentions. But motivation fades. Discipline wavers. Life gets busy. And that's when your financial plan falls apart. This is why automation is the game changer. Let me tell you about someone who gets this. At 25, she set up one automatic transfer, $200 every payday, straight to an index fund. She never saw it, never touched it, barely thought about it. 10 years later, that invisible $200 had become over $40,000. Not because she was special, not because she timed the market, because the system worked while she lived her life. Set up automatic transfers to savings the moment your paycheck hits. Automate your bill payments. Automate your investments into low-cost index funds. When your money moves without your daily input, you remove the single biggest point of failure in any financial plan: human choice. There's no decision to make, no temptation to resist. The system makes the right choice for you, every single time. This is how the quietly wealthy stay wealthy. They don't rely on discipline. They rely on systems that work even when they don't feel like it. Build the machine once, and it runs for decades. That's not just smart, that's freedom. This is the shift from hoping you'll save money to automatically building wealth. And once you understand this, everything else becomes easier. Habit 11. Protect your energy reserves. Exhausted people make expensive decisions. They order takeout instead of cooking. They buy convenience items at premium prices. They fall for schemes because they're too tired to think clearly. Prioritize sleep and recovery as investments in your financial future. A well-rested mind saves money, plans better, and spots opportunities tired minds miss. Wealth isn't built by grinding yourself into the ground. It's built by showing up consistently with a clear mind. Habit 12. Control your calendar completely. If it's not scheduled, it won't happen. Schedule time for budget reviews, investment research, and financial planning like any important meeting. Treat your financial tasks with the same respect you give work deadlines. When you control your calendar, you control your financial destiny. Most people let life happen to them. The wealthy schedule their priorities and protect that time fiercely. Habit 13. Eliminate toxic debt. Some debt builds wealth: mortgages, business loans. Other debt destroys it: credit cards, payday loans, high-interest consumer debt. Attack high-interest debt with laser focus. Every dollar going to interest is stolen from your future freedom. Make minimum payments on everything else, but throw every extra dollar at your highest interest debt until it's gone. Freedom begins when you break these chains. Habit 14. Simplify your finances. Multiple bank accounts, scattered investments, complicated tracking. They create confusion, not wealth. Simplify everything. One checking account, one savings account, one investment platform when starting. Automate what you can. Simple systems are sustainable. The quietly wealthy have clear systems that work. Habit 15. Choose quality over quantity. Always. This is perhaps the most important rule of all. Buying cheap items repeatedly costs more than buying quality once. This applies to everything: clothes, tools, electronics, food. Here's what the data shows. Nearly 62% of self-made millionaires drive cars over 5 years old. They're not impressed by flash. They value utility over vanity. I know someone who bought $400 work boots that lasted 12 years. His colleague bought $80 boots every year. In the end, the expensive boots cost less and performed better. When you invest in quality, you reduce long-term costs while increasing satisfaction. But quality isn't just about things, it's about choices. Choose quality experiences over quantity. Choose quality relationships over quantity. Choose quality information over quantity. Every area where you prioritize quality over quantity becomes an area where you save money and increase satisfaction. So there you have it, 15 minimalist habits that guarantee you'll always have money. These aren't deprivation tactics, they're freedom strategies that address root causes of financial stress. When you implement these habits, something shifts. Money stops feeling scarce and starts feeling manageable. You stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building momentum. Remember, wealth isn't about having more money, it's about having more options. And these habits give you options by giving you control. Start with habit 10, build your automated systems. That's the foundation. Then layer in the others, one by one. Your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. Which habit are you implementing first? Drop it in the comments, I want to hear from you. If this video helped you see money differently, hit that like button so it reaches more people who need it. Subscribe to MindCraft for more no-nonsense strategies that turn ideas into action. The real flex isn't the car you drive or the logo on your shirt. It's the quiet confidence of knowing you're financially secure, free from debt, and in complete control of your destiny. That's a power no amount of money can buy, but these habits can build. This is MindCraft, where ideas become action, and action becomes your future.